20 years ago, there was only 36 Title I schools, and now we have over 200. And so it has become more imperative to me that, we have more needs in our schools and more needs of our students and our families and in our classrooms. And partnerships help to bridge that gap. There's only so much that, teachers and administrators can do with the funding that we have. And so partnerships come in and actually fill in a critical gap that we have right now in our schools.
When a community member has an opportunity to actually visit our schools, they come away with a very different perception of what our classrooms look like and who sits in each one of those seats. It gives you an opportunity to see how diverse our community is, and also an opportunity to see how much opportunity we have if we will just invest in our children for the future.
I think it makes people feel good when they know they're helping kids. And if they know they're helping kids, they know they're bringing some sort of happiness to their lives, whether it's with resources that they're providing at a school or a field trip opportunity. So anytime you can bring joy and happiness to a kid's life, or a teacher's life for that matter, you know that you're making an impact that lasts forever.
Having been a teacher myself and having been a professional scientist myself, I've been really fortunate in seeing both ends of the professional world and the education world, and now being able to bring them together and helping our partners learn how to support our students with their knowledge and their resources that they have. We have hundreds and hundreds of different programs that we manage, and every single one of them is different and requires a different set of opportunities, set of skills that we can help them nurture and bring into our students.
Our partners, our community is critical to make CCSD #1 for kids, because I can guarantee you that I need everybody to help us. They are part of the team. When we have 321,000 students and 40,000 employees, you do the math. I need everyone in this community, whether it is business partner, parents, volunteers. They are critical to the success of our work, so we can be the #1 district for kids.
I like the saying that if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, go together. And so I look at community partnerships and public education as going hand in hand so that we can go farther and that we can help students that need that special assistance or need that, additional resources to succeed and to go farther in their life. So that's how I see community partnerships in public education.